Alright guys, welcome back. We have a question from chapter 4, and in this question we know that two men exert forces of F 80 pound and P 50 pounds on the ropes. We need to determine the moment of each force about point A, and in the second part of the question, which way will the pole rotate, clockwise or counterclockwise. So obviously we have two different moments about point A in here. One is the moment of the force P with the man B, and the other one is the force exerted by man C, and the force is F. So for doing this, we can use our 2D shortcut for finding the moment about point A. Let's call the first one moment of about point A from the force P, and as always we're gonna call counterclockwise moment positive. So what we need to do is for the 2D shortcut, we're just gonna have the force P in x and y component, px, py, and we can see that the py won't make any moment about point A, and the only moment that we have is the moment of px, and since it's a counterclockwise moment, it will be positive. So we have p times which we know P is 50 pounds. What we need to figure out is to find the x component, and we know this angle, since we have this angle here 45, this will be 45 degrees, and cosine of 45 degrees will be the moment, and here we simply have the distance from A to the point that the force P is applying, and that would be 12 plus 6. So we get 18 for here, and if we calculate this force, we get 636 pound-foot. And since the moment is counterclockwise, we will have a positive sign, or we can show it here like that. So the first moment is 636. Let's go with the moment of force F. I'm gonna show it in a different color. And use the same strategy. We go with Fx and Fy. And obviously Fy won't make any moment. And if we consider this angle, we know this is 3, this is 4, and this will be 5. And we're trying to find a moment of force C about point A. And this time, as we can see, again, there is no moment for the Fy, and we only have the moment of Fx, and we can see that the moment will be in this direction, which is clockwise. So we have a negative sign in here, and the force will be the 80-pound force, which is what we have for F. And the angle, if we consider this angle that I'm showing in here, we will have for Fx the cosine of that angle, which is 4 divided by hypotenuse, which is 5. And for the distance, we simply have the distance from here to here, which is 12. And if we calculate this one, we'll get 768 pound-foot. And this time we have a negative moment, which is clockwise. So as we can see, the moment of C is higher, is greater than the moment of B, and this would show that the man on the right hand side of the beam will rotate the beam in a clockwise direction. And the answer for the second part of the question, which is asking which direction the pole rotate, that would be the clockwise. So it's with the final answer for this question. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this content with your friends that might find this helpful. As always, feel free to let me know if you have any specific question in the comment section. And if there's any specific problem, we can cover it in the next videos. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next one.